Off Highway 29 going through downtown Lawrenceville, you'll notice Calaboose Alley. Up this alley, you'll notice the Old Town Jail. The jail is still there. It's a cement 20 by 30 structure. It never had indoor plumbing, though eventually was fixed with electricity. The jail was first built in 1832 and served all the way up until 1940. There have been reports of paranormal activity that have occurred due to a number of former inmates that stayed in the jail, one of which his name is supposed to be Elick, and he was eventually hanged after killing a white man. The jail is only a few steps away from the town center, and you should go check it out if you can.